A very warm welcome to Genie's Crochet Corner. Today I'd like to just show you this one row repeat reversible blanket pattern or scarf pattern, and it makes quite a nice shawl as well, and a scarf. It's worked on a multiple of 6 chain plus 1, and we're just going to be working a foundation row and then go straight into the pattern row, which you repeat for as many times as you want to. And it is reversible, so it looks like this from one side and the same from the other side. And you can just make it in one color, or you can just use different colors as you go along. So I'm just going to be using a 5.5mm crochet hook and some 8-ply or worsted yarn. I'm a tight crocheter, so a 5mm crochet hook with the 8-ply worsted yarn will be just fine. So I'm going to start off by making my slip knot, and I'm going to chain my multiples of 6. So I'm going to chain 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I've got my multiples of 6 and then just an extra chain. And what we're going to do is we're going to be missing or skipping the first, second and third chain from the hook, and then we're going to miss the next chain. So we're missing 1, 2, 3, 4 chain from the hook, and into the 5th chain from the hook we're going to work a 5 double crochet shell. So missing 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the 5th chain from the hook we're going to work our 5 double crochet shell. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the foundation row, and we work the one row repeat pattern on top of the foundation row. So we have our 1, 2, 3 chain at the start here that we missed. They count as a stitch and as the turning chain, and we've got our missed stitch here and our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet shell in the 5th chain from the hook. I'm going to miss or skip 1, 2 chain, so 1, 2, and into the next chain I'm going to work 2 double crochet. So 1, 2, then I'm going to miss or skip the next 1, 2 chain, and into the following chain I'm going to work my 5 double crochet shell. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And I'm going to miss or skip the next 1, 2 chain. Into the following chain I'm going to be working 2 double crochet. So 1 and 2. Then we're going to miss or skip the next 1, 2 chain and into the following chain, just work a 5 double crochet shell. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I'm left with 1, 2 chain. I'm going to miss or skip the next chain, and into the last chain I'm just going to work a double crochet. And that's the foundation row. We have our 3 chain that counts as a stitch, and also as a turning chain. Then we have a 5 double crochet shell stitch, 2 double crochet, 5 double crochet shell stitch, 2 double crochet, 5 double crochet shell stitch, and a double crochet into the last chain. So we're just going to start off with the pattern row, which is the row that you repeat throughout. So I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3. And we're not going to be using this first stitch because the 3 chain counts as a stitch and as a turning chain. We have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet shell. So what we're going to do is we're going to skip the first double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet, and into the 4th double crochet of the 5 double crochet shell we're going to work a 5 double crochet shell. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have our 3 chain, the turning chain, and counts as a stitch. We didn't use the first stitch, and we missed the first 1, 2, 3 stitches of the 5 double crochet shell, and into the 4th stitch we worked a 5 double crochet shell. We're going to miss the 5th stitch of that 5 double crochet shell, and we come to our 2 double crochet that we made into the same chain. What we're going to do is yarn around hook, insert your hook in before the first double crochet of those two double crochet group, around the back and through the stitch of the second double crochet, and we just make a complete double crochet, and we repeat that one more time. So hook in around the back of the first double crochet and then through the stitch of the second double crochet. And that's how it looks. We've now come to our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet shell. We're going to miss 1, 2, 3 double crochet into the 4th double crochet of that 5 double crochet shell. We work a 5 double crochet shell. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. we lift with the fifth or the last double crochet of that 5 double crochet shell. We skip it and we go to the 1, 2 double crochet group here that we made on the foundation row, and we're going to repeat what we did here. So yarn round hook, insert before the first double crochet, around the back of the first double crochet, and then through the stitch of the second double crochet. And we do that another one more time, so it'll be 2 in total. So in, around the back, and through the stitch of the second double crochet. We come to our last 5 double crochet shell, and what we're going to do is just what we did on the previous shells. We're going to skip or miss 1, 2, 3 and into the 4th we're going to work our 5 double crochet shell. So 2, 3, 4 and 5. We've come to our turning chain. If you want, you can just work your double crochet into the 3rd of the turning chain, or just go underneath and just work your double crochet there. And that is the pattern row. I'll work another row with you, so you just repeat this pattern row for as many times as you want to. As I say, this pattern is a great pattern for a shawl and a blanket, and also good for a scarf. So I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3. I'm going to turn my work, and we're not going to be using this first stitch, the 3 chain count, as the first stitch and also as a turning chain. And we add our 5 double crochet shell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to miss 1, 2, 3 and into the 4th stitch I'm going to work a 5 double crochet shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is your 5th double crochet of this 5 double crochet shell. We miss that stitch and we add our 1, 2 double crochet group. So we just repeat what we did on the previous row. So yarn round hook, in before the first double crochet, around the back of that first double crochet and through the stitch of the second double crochet. And repeat that one more time, so there'll be a total of 2. And we've come to our 5 double crochet shell. We miss 1, 2, 3 into the 4th stitch. We work our 5 double crochet shell. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we miss the 5th double crochet of the 5 double crochet shell, and we go to the 2 double crochet here, and we'll just repeat what we did before. Yarn round hook, in before the first double crochet around the back of the first double crochet and through the stitch of the second double crochet. Doing that another time, so you have a total of 2. And we're at our last shell, 5 double crochet shell. So we miss 1, 2, 3 stitches. Into the 4th stitch, we work a 5 double crochet shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we miss the 5th stitch of the 5 double crochet shell, and we come to our 2, 3 turning chain. You can work your double crochet into the 3rd chain, or just go underneath and work your double crochet like that. And that is your pattern row. You just repeat it for as many times as you want to. And as you can see, you're getting this zigzag effect by working the particular way around the 2 double crochet of the previous row. So it gives you this effect, just a zigzag, and it makes it look quite pretty. And as long as you're working on a multiple of 6 plus 1 chain, and you just repeat the pattern row for as many times as you want to. I do hope this tutorial has been helpful and useful to you. Until next time, enjoy crocheting.